Alright, so this is going to be a video on that change found in my 52, my video called 52. Let's shoot for this. So the card, the 7 of diamonds, watch close as it changes. I do like exposing cards in Tenkai. It's always nice. But there you go, that's how the change is done. It goes into Tenkai. Surprise, surprise. Actually, I do flash that in the actual video, but here. What you're going to do is the card is going to be clipped at the non-indexed corners. Okay? That is important, by the way. The non-indexed corners between the two thumbs. It's going to get pivoted around by this spinning action between your hands. Your hands are going to be turning back and forth like this. Okay? So just work on that spinning action for a while. Get that so you can turn the card by rotating your hands like that and pushing it with your fingers. Now at some point when your right hand comes to the top, that's because I Tenkai with my right. Okay? When your right hand comes to the top, your index or your middle finger is going to touch the right next to your middle finger is going to touch right next to your index, right on that top right corner. In a continuing action, as your left hand comes around to turn it the rest of the way, this card gets slid into Tenkai, and then you continue and it changes. Okay? So I'll show you that from the non-exposed angle, then I'll expose the angle for you. And you saw a flash there of it going into Tenkai. Now from the exposed angle, fingers hit there. As you continue to spin, that card gets shot into Tenkai, and then the card changes. Okay? So, twirl, grab that corner. Now putting it into Tenkai is done for me with the middle finger. It just slid around, much like you would do a snap change from the top right corner. If you do a snap change from there, that's kind of what this move would look like. Okay? Not that anyone does the snap change from that corner, but if you were to do that, this card just slides right around into Tenkai, and the card changes. Now you'll notice that as you slide into Tenkai, you have the tendency to let go with your right hand. There's no problem because the card is now pinched in your left hand, so it's held in your left hand as that goes into Tenkai. So there you go. There's I don't know what it's called, the spin change. I'm pretty sure that's already a change. But there you go. There's that change that from 50. Yeah. Okay.